Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made a home sign using an old table runner, a wreath, and 3 letters. So after I had painted my letters with white chalk and let them dry for about 10 or 15 minutes, I went ahead and placed glue onto the table runner as well as the letters on the top and bottom to make sure that I have a secure placement on them, so that way if I hang them or move it, they don't fall off. And make sure you guys clean the table runner, as this one was in the garage for a while, so it was pretty dusty, so I made sure I cleaned that first. Same thing with the wreath. I went ahead and placed glue the top, bottom, and the 2 sides to make sure it's secure. If you feel like you need to add more glue, go ahead and do so, or if you want to tie it down, that will also work great. Since it is a long table runner, I did count the spaces between the letters, so it was about between 6 to 7 before I placed my next letter or before I placed the wreath. And here I am doing the same thing to the letter M. Make sure that I added enough glue in the back, and I also added some glue onto the table runner. Now, when I painted these letters, all I did was a quick paint of the white chalk. I made sure that it wasn't like a perfect finish because I kind of wanted to give like a rustic view. And this going into my mom's house, she has a natural wood show through her cabinets, and she also has some white decor, so I made sure that I incorporate that in there. Now I'm doing the same thing to the letter E. If you need to go back and add more glue, you can always do that. Then I used 2 nails on the wall, and I hung this new home sign in her dining room, and she just loves it. Let me show what it looks like. Here it is, finished product. It took me about 15 minutes to get it done. Thank you for watching.